I, Mrs. Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to the online lecture series 2021-22 organized by Gokhale Education Societies, BYK College of Commerce due to pandemic after a long period of time. Today, I would be introducing you to the subject of bookkeeping and accountancy. Bookkeeping and accountancy is an important subject in commerce stream dealing with accounts of various business entities, interesting scoring and career oriented. The knowledge of the subject would be useful throughout the life. It is thus important that the subject is to be taken with honesty and sincerity and hard work. You and I are lucky that we are getting an opportunity in this situation to interact via digital platform. So, a little more attention and devotion is expected on this subject. With this concentration, you and score good percentage and place yourself one among the many rank holders of the overall results either of the district or state. In this introductory lecture, I would be taking up the planning for the whole year on this subject as to how the academic year would be divided, subdivided, all the topics would be covered in detail by all the subject teacher including me and my colleague. The preparation on the subject would also be a keen interest and focus. In these lectures, it would be presented the different form of accounting of different organizations including preparation of different formats of journal, ledgers, etc. It is necessary for all of us for smooth, healthy and prosperous academic year that every one of us take a keen interest in the online lectures with sincerity, regularity and give your best. Entering commerce stream with some motive of present and future on acquiring knowledge of accounting after 12th, many professional courses would be opened like degree in commerce, business administration, business management, computer application, chartered accountancy, company secretary, mass communication and career in legal fields. All these are professional courses. On successfully completing these professional courses with good quality of knowledge of it, one can pursue career as a professional practitioner or can secure a job with good remuneration. Accountancy is related with recording of business transactions. Business enterprises and other organizations deals in activities which involves exchange of money. So these activities are recorded for taking decisions as to feasibility, profitability, and to continue with the business activities. Maintaining accounts of a business or an organization gives information not only to the proprietor or managers, but these information are useful to other stakeholders like investors, researchers, customers, etc. The method of accounting was way back since Chandragupta Maurya's regime. One of its minister during Maurya regime, Mr. Kautilya, wrote a book named Arthashastra in which references of maintaining accounts is recorded, which afterwards come to be known as Desinama. Thus, accounting is also useful for companies. It is also a part of the curriculum of BBA stream, and it is also the most important in the curriculum of Chartered Accountancy and Company Secretary, useful for engineering professionals, etc. The pandemic of COVID-19 in the world erupted somewhere in the month of Feb March 2020. Since then, this pandemic had paralyzed offline teaching and learning, including physical presence of teachers and students in the classroom. In the beginning of this pandemic and its research and understanding, the offline education system was totally closed down up to the end of academic year 2020-21. To cope up with the situation of pandemic, online lecture series was innovated by different scholars in different places and in different manners. Everybody must be thankful to digital service providers who made available different applications with different platforms and made online lecture series a great success. We, the teachers of BYK College, also opted to online lectures series on commerce stream for the academic year to the 2020-21 and the continuation of the same for this academic year. This is the first introductory online lecture on the subject bookkeeping and accountancy. With the online lecture ahead, important videos on the subject would be provided which would be helpful for all of us to study and understand, including revisions and at the tip of the fingers around the clock. The digital book would be available to all. This slide displays the physical front page of the book in digital form, which we would be referring to for standard 12th with different topics of it in our future lectures. This syllabus covers topics relating to different firms and their basics of accounting, which was presented in a very simple manner for easy understanding relating to accounting concepts and contents. The students with no commerce background could also easily pursue the education in commerce with this ideology. This textbook is simplified with better understanding of the subject in a lucid manner. It also provides practical problems based on skill and applications. Topic contains different types of questions to test conceptual clarity and accuracy and encourage cultivating skill and applications, making learning of accountancy interesting. On curriculum of accountancy, various online lectures would be conducted in future throughout the year, unless and until all the topics are fully covered and total lectures delivered. More or less, the topics which will be covered would be Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Accounts, which would be a compulsory question carrying 12 marks in the board exam. The next topic will be Accounts of Not-for-Profit Concern, compulsory question carrying 12 marks. The next topic, Reconstitution of Partnership in Admission, Retirement and Death would carry 10 and 8 marks each respectively. Questions on dissolution of partnership would carry 10 marks, bills of exchange 10 marks, company accounts 10 marks, analysis of financial accounting and computer in accounting would carry 8 marks each. In further lectures on different topics of the curriculum, each one of you would be provided with PDF file of the notes on the topic, which would include tips and techniques of the problems provided on the topic, and to have a complete grip and understanding multiple choice questions solving exercises would also be given. The tips and techniques would be provided with the intention that exercises are made time and again so that the problems provided would be solved within time in the exams, so that questions are not left over while solving examination paper. Various types of problems would be provided on various topics, not only on bookkeeping and accountancy, but on other subjects also. In frequently indulging and exercising in solving the problems, you would be well acquainted and accustomed to approach with a better thinking, understanding in solving the problems. Now, it's your turn and time to devote yourself with sincerity and hard work. Make utmost use to grab and understand the topics presented and gain a lead and comfort and place yourself in the commanding position in the career building results ahead. If the online lectures series is approached with sincerity and regularity. The contents which would be provided, like the curriculums, frameworks of questions, tips and techniques, and exercise regularly conducted in solving, then I am on the opinion that approaching and answering the final exams would be a happy and successful attempt, which would also lead in scoring maximum marks, which is very well possible in this subject. The optimum success, if at all achieved, would not be limited to the HSC exams only, but would also boost and helpful in achieving your career goals. With this lecture, we are beginning with the online academics on commerce stream for the present year on the subject of bookkeeping and accountancy, and the same would go a long journey ahead for maximum period of the year in frequent intervals and on all topics being covered and left none. This lecture series is a new invention coping up with extraordinary situation which was never experienced or thought of. So let's get acquainted and master this innovative method for better understanding, prosperity and convenience, with the hope that the same would go through nicely throughout the academic year and would be digestible. I am confident thus that this introductory lecture had provided you with the rough idea of what the subject is and what topic it carries, how the problems would appear, what amount of marks they would carry, including tips, techniques, exercises to master in solving them with convenience in approaching the exam and achieving optimum result. We would be frequently visiting on online lectures on different topics of the subject. Next, I thank everybody for your regular, sincere and patient hearing. I am grateful to respected Principal Dr. Shri Ram Kulkarni sir for choosing and expressing confidence in me for this introductory lecture. With further thanks to Vice Principal Shri Praveen Mule for his timely guidance, accommodation and overall support. Thank you.